Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about what is Google Shopping and how does it work. Here you can see from a consumer perspective, Google Shopping is a specialized part of Google where users can discover and purchase products from local businesses and other online retailers. And you can see Google Shopping is powered by two platforms, Google Ads and Merchant Center. So in easy words, you can say you can view or shop a product online or either by visiting the location physically. So here is the example. This is how the Google Shopping platform looks. Here are different products displayed. Some of them are also offering different offers. Here we can see the few advantages of Google Shopping as a business owner. It creates trust association. One of the biggest benefits to a brand of joining Google Shopping is that your products and services will be seen alongside other big name brands. So your trust factor increases. Suppose you are going to sell a bag and you are totally new in the world of business, but through Google Ads campaign, you can compete even the naming brands. But in actual world, it is like impossible to do that. So in this way, our trust factor increases and we can easily convince our customers. Look at the second advantage, better qualified leads. Unlike the traditional Google search where users might not actually be looking to purchase anything as a result of their search, when a user goes to shoppinggoogle.com, that's usually a sign they are looking to make a purchase at that point or in the near future. Designed with shoppers in mind. It is totally based and designed upon the shopper's mind, and there will be no such visitors that are just coming to visit a page or visit a blog or visit a product. They are actually coming with a mind to make a purchase. This is advantages on our behalf. Now let me search anything. Buy a bicycle. So here you can see first of all it will show the products nearby my location. It is showing the addresses of different shops, and it also shows different websites, blogs and products as well. So it's quite easy to handle it, and there is no rocket science to use it. I suggest every individual who is either on WordPress, Shopify or wherever, he must set up his Google Shopping. Local inventory ads will be in scope in the near future, but now people prefer shopping ads and free listings. If I click on shopping here, it will show a number of products. You can see local inventories will allows you to showcase your products and store information to nearby shoppers searching with Google's. So here you can see there are different products. Some of them are offering different offers. Great pick. There is a sale offer, low price offer, and you can see there is a discount ongoing in this product. So we have number of options to purchase a product. While shopping, it is the best option to shop from Google. And the best thing about it is that it offers different features like free listing, Google Shopping, buy on Google, local inventories. So we can see Google Shopping has a huge list of features. It has more chances to get ranked for a product if it is displayed in the Google, because here the user's mindset comes to search and buy the product. There is no need to provide any sort of awareness. Like in other social media platform, we grab the customers by creating their mind, by convincing them through the ads campaign. After that, we run ads of remarketing to make them purchase our products by giving them awareness and perception of our product. There is no such scene. He comes with a mind of purchasing and he makes the purchase. This is how you can shop in Google Shopping.
I hope you have got the idea. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.